Gandhi Ashram, located on the banks of Sabarmati in Ahmedabad, was Gandhiji's Karm Bhumi between 1917 and 1930. It was from here that Gandhiji conducted his experiments in constructive work, education, and satyagraha. The ashram was also a base for India's quest for freedom. The austere, simple, and authentic architecture of the ashram was the very embodiment of Gandhiji's values and philosophy. It is true that today's Gandhi Ashram Memorial is deeply inspiring, yet it has long been felt that it leaves much to be desired. When established, the ashram was spread out over 120 acres of land on the outskirts of Ahmedabad. It had 63 buildings that housed numerous activities of the ashram. Today, what people know as Gandhi Ashram is only 5 acres of the original ashram, which has been preserved as a memorial. Only 3 of its original buildings are open for visitors. Many of the others have either been torn down or lie across the busy ashram road. Many new buildings that are incongruous with the architecture of the original ashram have also been built on the ashram's ground, making it unrecognizable as the place from where Gandhiji nurtured India's quest for freedom. During this 75th year of India's independence, the government has resolved to restore Gandhi Ashram in a way that preserves the ethos of the original ashram. Ashram Road will be severed and diverted. The ashram will be expanded to include all buildings built during Gandhiji's time. Buildings and activities which are not congruent with the proposed memorial will be moved to satellite campuses adjoining the ashram. Ashram Vasis, who are currently the tenants of various trusts, will be given ownership of new houses with upgraded facilities, located within 50 meters of their current dwellings. Those who choose to move to a different location will be provided a generous compensation or 4-bedroom homes which are ready to occupy. A conceptual master plan for expansion and restoration of the ashram has been prepared. The original buildings of the ashram will be carefully restored and brought alive for everyone to visit and be inspired by. A few new museums and exhibits will be added to display Gandhiji's life and work. Gandhi Ashram archives and library will be better housed, and facilities will be created for research and training. Amenities will be augmented to support the continually increasing number of visitors. All of these will be done in a way that preserves the ethos and sanctity of the original ashram. Chandrabhaga rivulet in the vicinity of the ashram will be made into a pleasant urban waterway. The historic Dandi Bridge will also be restored. All works including restoration of the ashram, compensation for relocation, and development of surrounding areas is estimated to cost about 1,200 crores. The works will be funded by the Government of India and managed by the Government of Gujarat in consultation and consensus with all stakeholders. The restoration of Gandhiji's Karm Bhumi will keep alive his values and philosophy and continue to inspire future generations.